numbers, numbers. I want to draw a house.
Okay. Draw a house. Alyssa, draw a house.
Look. And a playground.
Yan, naglalaro ang mga bata dito. Kasi malapit lang ang playground sa amin eh. Dito lang. Likod backyard. Likod bahay. Tapos,
Mommy.
si Daddy nagtatanim ng ampalaya.
Come here.
Ampalaya. Ano yan?
Come here.
Ah, yung upo. Yeah, upo. Dyan. Ilagay ko sa timba. Yeah. Tapos yan ang bubuhay kayo, magbigay kayo ng maraming bunga, okay? Kayo, ilan lang buwan lang ang summer namin dito. O yan, kamatis dito, 4. Yan. Magbigay kayo ng maraming bunga, ha? Para, yan, lalagyan ni Eric yan ng bahay papunta dito. Thank you, Lakay. Ha?
Mommy, can you fix? There's a battery. Can you fix this?
Oh, there's no battery that one. We gonna throw some of this.
No.
No, we gonna throw.
I want to pick two.
Yeah.
I want to pick this one and the Barbie school.
Okay.
And I want to pick each one.
Okay. So which one we gonna put in the garbage? Okay, this 2. Okay. Okay then. Okay, you have fun, okay? Mm.